All right, let's look at the area of a triangle again. We looked at the area of a triangle whenever we were given side, angle, side, right? So we had a triangle. It looked like this. We were given this side, and this angle, okay? Now we're going to look at how do we find the area of a triangle when we're given side, side, side. So whenever I'm given this side, and that side's length, okay? So we have Heron's formula to do so. Here is what it reads. It reads A is equal to square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where S is what they call the semi-perimeter, which is 1/2 the perimeter of the triangle, okay? All right, so how do you do this? Well, what you usually do is you find S first here, and then you sub it into this formula. All right, let's take a look at our example where it tells me to, for the given triangle, find the area. Round your answer to the nearest square foot. Square foot. Can't talk this morning. All right, let's suppose I have a triangle that's given and it's not drawn to scale at all, but that's all right. So this side is length 134.2 feet. This side has a length of 120 feet, and this side has a length of 90 feet. Okay? Let's find the area of this triangle. All right, so the first thing you ask yourself is, what do I have here? Which case? Well, side, side, side. So for side, 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 I'm going to use the formula we just had, and I'm going to find that semi-perimeter first. Remember, that's 1/2 the what? Perimeter. And what's a perimeter? All the sides added together. So 134.2 plus 90 plus 120. All right, so if you go through and calculate that, you get something like 172.1 for your S value. All right, so the area of this triangle, we're going to say is, according to that formula we had, the square root of S, which is 172.1, times S minus each side, okay? Times a factor of S minus a side. So S will be 172.1 minus one of the sides, minus 134.2, times S minus another side. So S is 172.1 minus your next side, which I could say is 90, times S minus that last side. S again is 172.1 minus that last side of 120. All right, so go ahead and it tells me to round to the nearest whole number, basically, okay? So go ahead and put all that in your calculator, and you should get something like 5282. 5282, and we're finding area, and if we're in feet here, the area will be in square feet. There we go. That's how you find the area of a triangle given side, side, side.